Cuando yo estaba en México, estaba en la banda sinfónica. Era una banda que había muchos niños. When I came here, I thought I wasn't gonna play again. I thought I was actually just gonna forget about it. Well, I did forget about it, and then when I thought about it, I told my mom and stuff. And she put me in senderos, and that's when I started from zero, because I forgotten everything, and I went from zero to where I am right now. Well, it makes me feel really happy of myself. It makes me, sometimes I realize of a big challenge this was. Like when you get through the hard part, it's all easy. Like now that I got through the really hard part, it's easy. Like I just get the songs, I study them, and I just play them. A mí ya que yo toco en frente de muchas personas, ya tengo menos vergüenza. Antes yo tenía mucho miedo a hablar y hacer nuevos amigos en la escuela. Yo nomás tenía un amigo, mi primer amigo que hice. Él hablaba español y luego nos hicimos amigos y de ahí siempre jugábamos juntos. Cuando yo practico mis tradiciones, me hace como algo se hace en mi cabeza que debo de hacer esto y no tener esto. Tengo que pasar las cosas negativas en mi vida. Bueno, es muy importante porque yo no quiero perder las tradiciones, yo quiero quedármelas. Yo me las quedo, mi mamá me enseña y todo. Yo las comparto como yo he convencido a unos de mis amigos que van con la banda conmigo. I want to stay on my tradition for a long time, probably until I die for sure. I don't want to leave my tradition. I don't want to leave it because it's like a beautiful tradition. It's really beautiful to play the trumpet, the songs, they sound out beautiful when the whole band is playing. And I really want to take it far, I want to take it far too big. The impact in the future is that I'm gonna know a skill, that multiple people probably won't, know. I can teach my sons and, they can probably take it on for decades or generations, teaching their sons, and sons. And I feel really happy of myself, really proud of myself. Parents do too.